Hello, sunshine adventurers. It's December 19th, 2024, and here's your daily update from the sunny shores of Patong Beach, Phuket. Today's weather is absolutely fantastic, with an almost clear sky and calm, peaceful vibes. It's a great day to enjoy the beach, especially since there's no wind to disrupt the tranquility. The only twist? The waves are higher than usual, adding a little extra drama to the stunning ocean view. The popular beach market is still in full swing, buzzing with energy and excitement. Whether you're here for the delicious street food, trendy clothing shops, unique souvenirs, or just soaking in the festive atmosphere, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The air temperature is a warm 30 degrees Celsius, or 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and the sea temperature is a perfect 27 degrees Celsius, or 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for swimming, relaxing, or just basking in the tropical sunshine. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video for some stunning sunset footage that'll make you wish you were here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite thing about Patong Beach? Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow with more updates from paradise.